Hi students, welcome back. In an earlier lesson, we have studied the various forms of inner join. However, many a times we do not need to list all the join data from join tables. We are going to apply filter criteria to the join data in this lesson. You can observe I am connected to the demo schema and our tables will be EMP and DPT as ever. Consider the problem statement of list names of managers along with their respective department names. I repeat. List names of managers along with their respective department names. Now we shall see appending a where clause to all the three inner join queries we have studied in that lesson. It is so simple. I hope you recall those queries. Now for the first, appending where clause to the query using inner join clause. Now here goes the query. So this is the same query. Just we have added this where job equals to manager condition. Select ename, dname from EMP inner join DPT using DPTNO. This is the plain join operation. And to filter the rows out for the managers, we have added this where job equals to manager. Now I execute, press Ctrl Enter, and you see there are names of managers Jones, Blake and Clark respectively for department names research, sales and accounting. You know that we can also use the natural join in place of inner join if the join column name is identical on both the tables, and it is in our case that is DPTNO. We can append the where clause to that query also. So let me produce that query also over here. Select ename, dname from EMP natural join DPT. That was our query over there, and we are appending the where clause here also where job equals to manager. Let us execute. The result is going to be the same, and indeed the result is just identical. We also adopted an equijoin method by applying explicit equality operator between DPTNO columns of EMP and DPT table over there. We can append the condition of job equals to manager to that where clause also. Here, because the where clause in that query is already present, we don't have to append another where clause, but we have to just add the condition of job equals to manager over there in that query. And now I will produce that query over here. Yes, here is that query. Select ename, dname from EMPE, DPTD, where e.dptno equals to d.dptno and e.job equals to manager. So this condition is only appended to this where clause with the AND operator over here. Otherwise, everything remains the same. Now, I execute this query and you see the result is same. So, e.job is just an additional filter condition that we are appending to our original query of join with explicit equality between the EMP table and DPT table. E.dptno equals to d.dptno. Hope you have been enjoying learning SQL. Keep moving. Thanks for watching.